I would also like to inform you that the testing also has been maximum this month. We are close to touching 50,000 tests, today being the 17th of May. Last month, in the whole month of April, we touched 60,000. So we expect that this month of May, we should be touching a total testing of 70,000+, maybe touching 80,000 tests. I would also like to inform you that in the last 1 month, after a lot of work that has been done by the officials, the health department, and the government together, we have been able to expand our oxygen-supported beds from 350 to 750 today. And we are hopeful to expand that to 1,000 oxygen-supported beds in the next 2 weeks. When we started off with the second wave, we had approximately 700 oxygen cylinders. Today we have doubled it, and we are close to touching 1,500 oxygen cylinders, and we hope to increase many more in the coming days and weeks. I will be informing you about those at a later stage. We had Civil Hospital, Nazareth and Negrims having some kind of storage or oxygen plants or generators. But within the next few hours and in the next few days, we should be upgrading the services in Civil Hospital Shillong and in Ganesh Das Hospital, as well as in RP Chest Hospital. So we'll be having oxygen plants in these 3 hospitals very, very soon. Upgradation in Civil Hospital is going on as we speak. Also, within the next few days, maximum a week, we will also see the oxygen plants in Tura, Jowai, and Nongpo Civil Hospital also be completed. After that, in about 2 weeks' time, we are scheduled to also complete the oxygen plants in Nongstoin, Williamnagar, Bakmara, and Ampati. At this point in time, I would also like to inform you that government has decided last week to start some form of Corona care centers, Corona isolation centers, whatever nomenclature one would like to use, in different cluster-based units in different parts of the city. And this is anticipating that we may require more beds. We are trying to increase the presence at the locality level so that certain cases which may not need full medical attention or full hospital services could also be supported through these different centers that will start at the community level. And this will be supported by the government, where we will put basic manpower in these centers also. And we'll also be supporting them with oxygen concentrators so that those patients, as I mentioned, who don't need full medical service of a hospital can also be given a bed and given the basic support in these locations also. So roughly about 300 such beds will be created in the next few days in different parts of the city with the help of the community. And at the same time, we are also working very aggressively. We have already almost completed the beds in 300 beds in IIM. And this is the old campus. And the Mati, about 100. And third one was? NIFT. And NIFT, also 100. We are also looking at supporting these centers, at least 50% of these beds, with oxygen concentrators, so that in case there are patients who require basic support of oxygen, can be given oxygen through these centers also.